Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Today we're going to review the SanDisk Ultra 32 gigabytes microSDHC1. I don't know what all that stuff means because I am not an SD card scientist, but I bought this for my dash cam in my car. $7.75. Are you kidding me? Under $10 now. You can get a microSD card. It's supposed to have really good speeds and be able to overwrite itself a whole bunch of times. 95 megabytes per second on the read, 20 or so on the write. Evo Select with the SD adapter. I don't need that. 32 gigabytes. We're going to try this out in my dash cam. Previously I had a 4 gigabyte card in my dash cam that records at 720p. Was not enough storage for me to keep up with, because if something happens and I forget to hit that emergency button on that dash cam, I might overwrite that incriminating evidence should I get in some type of incident. So I'm going to show you,
God damn it,
the quality of this $7.75 shipped micro SD. Oh, I had an 8 gig in there. Had an 8 gigger. Old school 8 gigger. Okay, we're going to pop that out. We're going to put this new daddy in here. We're going to make sure that it works. Because if it does, for $7.75 for 32 gigs shipped to you, check it out. Samsung. That's a good name brand, right? Evo. That sounds good. Evolutionary. You can get that out of the little plastic casing right there. I need a manicure. Ooh. Rough hands. I don't even work hard. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's slide this little sliver daddy in here. Tough to get to the way I have things set up, because I really can't remove my camera after I glued the base to the windshield. But if you try hard enough, you can succeed. And I'm going to have to try hard. But there we go. We got it in. Sometimes maybe you need to put a little spit on there. I don't know. I can't believe. I mean, it's 2019. Format it. Yeah, we want to format that memory. Get it ready to record in this camera. Record all the silly people out on the road who drive like lunatics. And protect yourself. Because if you get in an accident and you don't have a witness, you're going to need some evidence. There we go. You see that red little dot in the left-hand corner up at the top flashing? It's recording. It works. Got to give this 2 thumbs up. Samsung Evo Micro SDHC 32 gigs. Excellent. I recommend you buy one. Link in the description. My name is Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and watch another video.